What up? What's good, guys? JA here, man. Salute to everybody for checking in for today's video, guys. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. I've been having a lot of problems with StockX GOAT. Been trying to get early pairs for you guys. You all know how I do it. But unfortunately, been having a lot of trouble. StockX has a lot of delays with their shipping. And then GOAT, like the last 5 times I tried to get an early pair of Yeezys for y'all, the seller shipped and then GOAT claims that they lost the package or whatever. So we're gonna be trying out eBay today. Of course, they got the new authentication process that they got going on with the SneakerCon app or whatever. So usually you can get some steals on eBay, but in the past people have had problems with getting fakes. So hopefully the new authentication process can eliminate some of those problems. We're gonna check it out. Anyways, guys, so stay tuned. Let's go ahead and check out some of these packages, guys. If y'all are new here on the channel, make sure y'all hit the subscribe button. Videos coming right up. Next, y'all. So what's good with y'all, man? Salute. Welcome back to the channel, guys. It's Friday. Unfortunately, I picked the worst day to come to the bank, but it's got to be done. Yeah, can I get a money order? You got to come inside? Okay, all right, thank you. So I'm not gonna lie, that wasn't too bad for a Friday. Did secure the money order or whatever. Well, actually cashier's check. So let's go ahead and grab these eBay packages. Gotta go run to my grandma's house real quick to go ahead and grab these joints. So yeah, let's go ahead and grab them real quick. Check out what we got. Salute. Another beautiful day in the neighborhood. We're down here in Key West, Florida, if you guys didn't know. So about to grab these shoes real quick, man, to see what's up.
See right now? Oh, yeah, that is here.
Here go your money.
Oh, dang. When did that come?
About to grab these sneakers. So we back home now, got the packages right here, guys. So we ordered 3 packages from eBay, and then we got 2 from local pickups that I got. I actually ordered probably 8 or something packages, but 3 of them have arrived so far. So as you know, it does take a little longer dealing with eBay, but gotta say, dealing with StockX and GOAT, they've been kind of trash low-key lately. And well, everybody knows StockX been trash, but low-key, they've been kind of getting better. And actually, GOAT's probably a little more trash now. I think my last 5 packages from GOAT, they claimed that the packages got lost or whatever. So anyways, first one here, we got a pair of Jordans. So y'all probably would never thought you would see JA unboxing Jordans, but picked these joints up locally, a size 4.5. So we got the Jordan 11 breads right here. So actually got these from a local offer on Facebook. So picked these joints up for $160. They retail for $170. And then I guess they're going right now for Jordan 11s, around $225 or something. So the longer you hold these, the better, but I'll probably just flip these real quick or whatever. So we got them joints, and then picked these up locally, a size 11.5 Yeezy 350 breads. And I wasn't even able to pick these joints up. I wasn't even able to cop these manually online. So when I first seen these, the little hand tag or whatever, I was like, are these fake or something? But turns out to be 100% legit. So pick these up from a local buyer on Facebook as well. he was trying to sell these joints for like 300, so I told him I'll do the 300, and these go for like over 400 right now. So another quick flip, but again, I could hold these joints right here and they're gonna continue to go up over time. And a size 11.5 is more of a rare size for these, so that was an easy little pickup or whatever. Locally now, the eBay packages here. So like I said, I ordered like 8 packages or so, but so far I got 3 of these, so we're gonna go ahead and check these out. All right, so we got the eBay packages, and I believe all of these sneakers we have not unboxed yet here on the channel, so it'll be dope to check these joints out. And got some steals on these, so I'll let you guys know how much I paid. Well, not really steals, but under market value. So I'll let you guys know how much I paid, and then we'll let you guys know how long these took. So they come with a little eBay tape on them. And then y'all check out the box. So the first joints that we got are a pair of the Clay Brown 700 V3s. So y'all see them, classic Yeezy box. The 700 V3, the Clay joints, are kind of like going for right around retail on the secondary market. So when you got the eBay, they got the little authentication or whatever. So I picked these up for $207.50 was the total, including shipping. And I want to say the market value on these is probably just right about retail or right under. So I predict as well that these will go up in value over time, just because the 700 V3 is definitely one of the more popular Yeezy silhouettes. And with that lower retail price, there's a lot more potential for profit. Yeah, the bottom of these are dope with that navy blue. Definitely a dope little touch. Are these better than the Alva? Probably so. That little hint of like tan gives it a little more character or whatever, but not a personal fave for me, as I'm not really a huge fan of all black sneakers or whatever. So we got a pair of Clay Browns. I ordered these on January 4th, and it's now January 15th, so it took about 10 days or so for those to come in. All right, so one of these packages might be something real dope, so let's see what we got here. All right. Now this one, we're gonna hold off on this one. Looks like we got an unreleased pair of Yeezys here. We'll check that one out last. Now these right here are another 350 that I actually never picked up. Skipped that on this release, but figured might as well grab a pair for under retail. Not for the personal, but we'll probably flip these later on down the line or whatever. If y'all didn't know, I've been investing a little bit in the sneaker market. Might as well if everybody else is doing it, right? So we got here a pair of the Santopes, size 10.5, and I paid $194 for these, including shipping. So again, you got the authentication, and eBay now uses the SneakerCon app, so that was a big deal through their authentication process. So we got the Santopes here in a size 10.5. I could actually fit into these probably, but I'm cool on these, man. I already got a pair of Citrons, which I feel like these look very close. You could also say the Earth joints, which actually are going for a lot now on the aftermarket. And then, or even the Clay joints or whatever, if y'all see that color right on the top. So this is a cool Yeezy or whatever. They're actually going for like retail or whatever right now. So it's a small little profit margin, but just like every 350, I feel like these joints will continue to rise over time. So let me know what y'all think. Do you think the 700 V3 Clay Brown joints are gonna go up over time, or do you guys think the 350 Santope? I feel like both of them will rise. So we'll be holding on to these pairs, store them in the back of the closet, and I'll just flip them sometime like at the end of the year. So these of course come with the reflective laces, which was a dope touch. They should have just threw the reflective joints on there to start with, but it's all good though. So got a pair of Yeezys right here. Ordered these joints on January 4th, so got them pretty quick. And then the one I'm real excited to check out, man. We got an unreleased pair of Yeezys. I don't know how they have these available, but they passed the authentication process, yo. So we got the ash blue 350. So I'm excited to check these out, man. They verified them. They legit checked them. It took a while, but they finally came through. Now I do notice the box got like a little grease on it or something like that. So maybe they was eating wings or something. I don't know what's going on. If that was from the buyer or the authenticator, I don't know what's going on with that. But anyways, these joints right here, I actually ordered December 24th. So I expect delays with shipping and everything during the holidays. But these arrived to eBay on the 31st, and then it took them like over a week to authenticate them. But let's go ahead and check them out. I'm real skeptical that this seller was selling early Yeezys, but let's see what we got here, y'all. I don't know, man. So that's crazy, yo. Unreleased pair of Yeezys, early off eBay, size 12. The ash blue joints are set to drop. I believe these are expected to drop sometime in February. So no infinity laces on these joints. Got the old school laces. And then they still got the same little like paper, cardboard string for the tags or whatever. So quick little look, authenticated through eBay. Yeezy 350 V2 Ash Blues, the first new 350 release for the year. And probably, I would say, out of the 350s that we already got leaked, these are pretty dope. I do like the ash pearl joints. And I know everybody's checking for them ash stones because they got the little red stripe. What appears to be a red stripe. So quick little look at these. Can't believe we actually got these early through eBay. So we'll do a full review coming soon on the channel, of course. Unfortunately, these are not my size. But yeah, man. So it seems like eBay's authentication process was definitely legit. In terms of their shipping, as you guys see on my first two orders, those came around in like around 10 days or less. So kind of equivalent to what StockX offers. And then the authentication process, can't say it no more. But it took a little longer on these 350s, and I guess it was due to the fact that it was an early pair and they didn't really have any samples to reference. So, but it's all good though. We got the legit shoes, 3 pairs successfully secured through eBay. So definitely, I'm gonna give them a B+ in terms of service. And right now, I'm probably gonna rock with eBay over StockX and go the way things have been going lately. So hopefully this video was beneficial to some of you guys. If you've been using like third-party apps to get sneakers, definitely eBay is great, and you can get some steals, some under market value products. So definitely dope, man. So salute to everybody for rocking with me for today's video, guys. I'm JA. Stay safe, stay blessed, y'all. And I'm out, guys.